world of business keeps on changing with time. Every entrepreneur should be given an opportunity to showcase his or her work. This should ultimately benefit the society. Eric Hawkins, who is a renowned entrepreneur, his visit to Kenya stems from his passion to share his knowledge gained over a span of 25 years expertise in solar system design and manufacturing in China. At 65 years old, Hawkins envisions a future in educating young people so that they can make a sustainable development in their lives. Indeed, youths who took part in his workshop at Christian Industrial Training College in Thika can attest to that.
That's because the architect doesn't want to know about it, they're not interested. This is, on the right hand side, is a Kenya system. And you'll see all this green pipe called PPR. This shouldn't even be used in solar because it will last no more than 3 or 4 years and then you'll have to replace it. No insulation means all the heat that runs through the water pipes will be transferred back to the sun.
With partners from Australia, Cyprus, Germany, the UK and China.
If you don't have the right quality. Okay, Kenya water crisis. I've actually picked these up from the internet and just to give you a general overview. So this is a...
Hawkins has over the years amassed the necessary networks to design, manufacture and export solar systems at affordable cost to transform the lives of many and reduce over-reliance on the electricity grid and non-renewable sources of energy.
I'll keep on this light bulb idea because last year I shipped 52,000 LED light bulbs to a company in the UK for $1.
Hawkins' visit to Kenya was courtesy of the partnership with Eenovators Limited, which is an energy consulting firm which was set up to dedicate and offer innovative and reliable energy efficiency solutions and to add value by ensuring efficient energy management.
The weather all around the world is changing, and it may be that when you have the rainy season here, it doesn't come. So you need to be sure you collect the water that you can off the roof, which is another area I'm going to be looking at. Again, I've just taken some pictures where I see some applications where you've got the cold water tanks. These black tanks, okay, are going to turn into a hot water tank, which no one understands yet. If I put this in boiling water, and you have your finger on here, it would actually be burning yourself in 1 minute. What we've now got on the right-hand side picture, which is this side here, is a new glass heat pipe, which means you just have 100% glass tube. And inside that heat pipe is a little small liquid, and as that tube gets hotter, the temperature of that glass is about 130 degrees Celsius, and that goes straight into your hot water tank. We have developed this new, if you like, electricity station to be powered by solar. And on that table is what we call a solar umbrella. If you hashtag solar umbrella, it'll link to my website. So this is 60 watts. This will charge this. So you put that over your power stop. You'll have a table underneath. If you're a cafe, bar, hotel, you have your battery pack. And from here, you can actually run many devices, including my laptop. So this is now running. This is working on electricity at 240 volts. Okay? If I now switch this off, if you have a power cut, I assume you have power cuts, you don't always have guaranteed electricity. This is the typical way that the system works. These are called vacuum tube heat pipe collectors, and inside each glass tube you have a heat pipe which will burn your fingers in 1 minute when it's exposed to the sun. These are some tank manufacturers, okay, that I use in China, which is where I have all my manufacturing made. And we're going to bring some of this manufacturing to Kenya. This is something, okay, that you wouldn't want to see in Kenya because this is how the central heating system works by using solar.
The firm's products and services are rooted in engineering and driven by innovation, passion, state-of-the-art equipment and world experience.
Here's a hot water tank I designed 25 years ago. On the right-hand side is my new one. These are made in the UK and also made in China to my design. These are typical British-made hot water tanks. Same again. And these are used for also central heating. So in England, I use solar to heat the house, not just heat hot water. For those that think that England doesn't have any sunshine or sunlight. So one of my designs, okay, is where you have a tank full of water heated by solar, and the two coils is where you put your drinking water through the coils to then come out and have a shower and wash. You don't take the water from the tank.
This energy service company is certified by National Industrial Training Authority (NITA), trainer in energy management and renewable energy implementation experts, lighting solar projects, energy management systems, and power quality management.
This will hold 3,000 milliamp hours. Okay. Years ago, when you had glass light bulbs, which were 100 watts, 60 watts, and 40 watts, the ones that were very cheap, you threw them away or they burnt out. Years ago, if you wanted to power that 100 watt light bulb with solar, you would need a 100 watt panel. Okay, so a 100 watt panel means, okay, that the wattage on the panel produces 100 watts. This produces 1.8 watts. So imagine how big a 100 watt panel is, which you can see in Kenya. So to run a 100 watt light bulb, you need a 100 watt panel. If you now switch from 100 watts to the latest in LED, this gives you the same light quality, but it lasts 25,000 hours, where your glass bulb would last 1,000 hours. Yes, it costs more money, but you're not throwing it away. And this uses 10 watts. This means that for every light bulb that you have at 10 watts, you need to have a 10 watt solar panel. You have a small battery, and then you have an inverter, and that's how you generate your electricity to run your lighting. Solar lighting really should almost be built into every house in Kenya, because it's now very, very affordable.
They have clients from companies in Kenya including Safaricom, Kapa Oil Refineries, Kisima, Villa Rosa Kempinski, Ole Sereni, Windsor, KFC, Total, Kenya Bay Beach Hotel, Kenya Pipeline Company, Westside, Coca-Cola, Airtel, Tata Motors, Unilever, Delarue, NIC Bank, and Barclays Bank.
Just to go back to what I was saying about these collectors, solar collectors, there are two types you'll see in Kenya, flat plate collectors and vacuum tube. And so the vacuum tube, which is only made in China, is the most efficient type of collector anywhere in the world. It is making sure you have the design correct, that it doesn't overheat. I designed two systems in China. One was called Apricus and one was called Suntec Solar between 2003 and 2009. And these tubes, okay, really should have a life of around 20 years, as long as they're installed correctly. So you can probably cut 80% of electricity from using it for heating water. But when you see all the houses going up, once they're actually up and built, it's very difficult to retrofit solar into those houses, so they have to be really designed from the beginning. This is a system that we have been putting on KFC outlets in Nairobi. There's two been completed, and I'm now looking at helping to do the third one. And this is how the system works. You have the tank, you have the heat pipe that is inside the tube, like I showed you here, and you push that straight into the tank, and that's how you heat that water. The heat pipe has about a teaspoon of water. They're 1.8 meters long, and they hold about a teaspoon of water. And it's because you take the air out of the copper pipe that the water boils at 45 degrees, where if you put it in a kettle, the water boils at 100 degrees. This is a product that I was in Hawaii in America some years ago and met this company, and they used one of our collectors to show how you can take dirty water, you put it through an evaporator, and out comes drinking water, because you're bringing the temperature up to about 85 degrees, which then evaporates the water, and out comes the clean, and the dirty goes somewhere else. In South Africa, again, we've got many systems, even on rooftops like this, so it doesn't matter what type of roof it is, it's very easy to adapt solar to that roof. This is the largest system we did in London. This is the Princess Alexandra Hospital, and that was 36 3 kilowatt collectors. And that saved the hospital a lot of money in using solar. This is a system in Spain that we use for doing heating, because even though Spain is hot, like Kenya, in the wintertime, you can have snow down there, it's very cold. So the solar here was actually supporting the underfloor heating that was put into the building. Once the temperature of the solar cells rise above 26 degrees, the efficiency starts to fall away. These panels are acquired through my friend in Switzerland, and that was his house that I stayed in. And he developed what we call PVT, PV plus thermal. And he developed a thermal panel that you fit behind a PV panel that actually generates hot water from the heat that they get from the front of the glass. So I've got my own design, which is now in the process of being established in Australia. It's under test. And we're looking to bring this new technology to Kenya for use in farming.
It has also partnered with leading organizations like Energy Regulatory Commission, Strathmore University, Association of Energy Professionals, East Africa, and the Citc.
You can plug in your smartphone, so you can charge your smartphone from your light bulb. Isn't that great? You can carry it with you. And you can charge it up by plugging in some electricity as well. So if you do run out of solar power, not that you're going to, this will hold 3,000 milliamp hours. No one realizes that actually, for those that don't have a light bulb, you can actually buy one of these for $50. And if you've got a power bank, which you charge by the mains, you can actually run your light by this as well. So you don't have to really run it from the mains. I'll keep on this light bulb idea because last year I shipped 52,000 LED light bulbs to a company in the UK for $1 each, including delivery. And this is one of the bulbs. So this is now running. This is working on electricity at 240 volts. Okay? If I now switch this off, if you have a power cut, I assume you have power cuts, you don't always have guaranteed electricity. So imagine this is your consumer box, okay, and you have a power cut. This is what happens. This light bulb stays on, because inside here is a battery. If I just do this, okay, I can respond it. So in here is a lithium battery and a PCB.
Some of the things that Eric Hawkins talked of include the various types of hot water systems, which include direct systems and indirect common Western systems. These are passive mains pressure systems, active pumped open vented system, active pumped split system, and passive thermosiphon thermal system. Some of the advantages of hot water systems include efficiency increase by up to 30%, output increase by up to 10%, heating of swimming pools in combination with a thermal heat pump, heat energy storage in the ground, preheating of groundwater and hot water generation, supplementary heating, and defrosting of snow and ice. The benefits of combining thermal solar systems and photovoltaic systems include easy mounting and connections, reduced spare requirements, and higher overall efficiency. All that is needed is to have these hot water systems installed in every household, as it will greatly be of benefit in conserving a lot of energy that is usually used by electricity. If these hot water panels were in every 3 of 10 households, it would curb the water shortage in Kenya by saving water used in generating. For solar water heating to be a success in Kenya, there needs to be an investment in the setting up of a hot water tank assembly factory. This will reduce the importation of tanks shipped in containers from the UK, Europe, China, and among other countries. The power of the sun is in your hands.